I work for a tool manufacturer. We make the best cutting tools in the world. Vericut Force is allowing us to squeeze even more potential out of our tools. My name is Glenn Nord. I'm the engineering manager here at 샌드빅코로만트 in Medlin, North Carolina. At this facility, we're producing various metal cutting tools. So once you've implemented Vericut, the next step is Vericut Force. It's allowed us to do things that our CAM software couldn't. It's allowed us to optimize our tool paths in a way that we weren't able to before, so that we're able to actually control the load on the machines to keep them running at an optimal level. So when we use Force on our programs, it's taking a standard tool path and it's reducing all the spikes in the load, all the deflection, all these things that normally would cause chatter, it would cause tool breakage, problems with the finished product, and it's eliminating some of those things.
My name is Denny Page. I'm team lead for standard production for 샌드빅코로만트. Before the implementation of Vericut Force, we would see a lot of things, especially in curved cuts. We would see chatter in the curve, and you could hear the tool coming through there, and the sound would change because the engagement would change. The programming was typically one feed rate, one spindle speed, one motion. And now we see that is dynamic and changes through the cut to maintain the same load on the tool through the entire process. And through that, it's saving the tool life, and the finishes are dramatically better and actually decrease cycle times in most instances.
Just with the air cuts alone, we've seen 5 to 10% reductions in our cycle times.
My name is Leandro Pereira. I'm an automation engineer working for 샌드빅코로만트, and I worked for 샌드빅 for 13 years. We implemented Force for one of the most important families that we produce here, and we were able to justify the investment just analyzing 1 month of production on that family.
I would highly recommend the implementation of Vericut in any production environment, especially the implementation of Vericut Force. The benefits that we have seen, I think not too long ago you would think were not reachable, and now they are. The decreases in cycle time, the cost savings, not having machine incidents, and less tool usage, everything combined has made my job easier, and I'm sure has saved the company a lot of money.
We're steadily adding more tools, more operations into Force optimization, and we're excited with what we see so far. The results look good. It is a continuous journey. We're going to continue to add tools and add operations and continue to reap the benefits. Not only would I recommend Vericut Force, but I would recommend it to our existing customers so they could continue to optimize the great tooling that we're providing them today.